Everything you need to know about reserving funds for the rainy days. Reserving funds for the rainy days covers frequent but non-critical expenses like car maintenance, home repairs, and hobbies, differing from an emergency fund for major unforeseen costs. To keep the fund productive, invest in liquid mutual funds for easy access with minimal to zero exit loads. Liquid funds are a category of mutual funds that invest in short-term debt and money market securities having maturity of up to 91 days. They are considered relatively low risk and are suitable for investors looking for short-term investment options with liquidity. Establish a budget to identify savings, cut unnecessary expenses, and anticipate future costs based on past expenses and upcoming needs. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.